am Carol Angela Davis. Recession is rising. It's Money Wednesday. Bank of America is saying we have a 33% chance of recession. One economist saying 3 out of 5 economic indicators that track business cycles, we're talking auto sales, industrial production, and aggregate hours worked, all are at levels reached right before previous recessions. The Scottish Investment Trust saying the current market environment reminds it of the dot-com era, folks. And yes, we know unemployment is at historically low levels, inflation is mild, and the economy has set a record 10 years of uninterrupted growth dating back to 2009. But the yield curve is inverted, and this has been among the best predictors of a recession. And last week, it inverted to a point not seen since just before the recession of 2007, bringing me to our slay word, perspicacious, for having insight. You don't put a person with 7 bankruptcies in charge of your country, let alone your country's bank account, and expect to be successful. The trade war with China is really hurting U.S. farmers. Data from the FDIC this June showing farm bankruptcies up 13% from the previous 12-month period to 535 bankruptcies. That is the highest level since 2012. In banking, there's also trouble. Job cuts. Citigroup cutting hundreds of jobs this year with a 10% reduction in their equities unit. Bloomberg is reporting that the 5 biggest American banks' trading revenue was down 8% last quarter, following a 14% dip in the previous quarter. But folks, the rich, they're getting richer. The Waltons of Walmart, one of the world's richest families, they make $70,000 a minute, $4 million an hour, $100 million per day, folks. At that rate, their wealth has grown nearly $140,000 just since I started talking. But a new Walmart associate in the U.S. would have made about 36 cents in that time, on the way to an $11 hourly minimum. Worldwide, the 25 richest families now control about $1.4 trillion in wealth, up 24% from last year. America, we can do better. I'm Carol Angela Davis. Get me on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube.